In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove multi-account login on Instagram. That is quite simple and easy, so let's begin. First, open up your Instagram, then get in your profile, and here if you have logged in multi-accounts, right here you can tap on your account username. And there in that pop-up window you will see all your logged accounts. I can simply switch between them, just tap on the name of that account and go back, just tap. You see how it works. So what to do if I need to log out of all that accounts? First I need to tap on these three lines icon and there select settings. And here at the very bottom I see log out. Tap on that, and here I may select any accounts I need to log off, and then tap on log out, confirm that action. And now you see that I log out of both of my accounts. I can tap here edit button, and there if I will tap on that icon I will remove login information about any of my accounts. I wouldn't do that, so I just tap log in to get in Instagram again. I will just finish editing and then tap on login again to get in my Instagram. So that's how it works, and I hope it was helpful for you. So before you go, please like and subscribe.